What do we have today? Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube page. My name is MacGyver and I'm here to show you some cool stuff. Check it out. For the past few weeks now, I've had the strong itch to start building up a camping kit or a survival kit. There are 5 basic things you need to always think about when it comes to building your survival kit, and they're called the 5 C's of survival. Those 5 C's of survival are cutting, combustion, cordage, container, and cover. And in this video, I'm going to go over 3 of those 5 C's, so stay tuned. So to start things off, I'm going to be opening up this sealed package, which I believe is my camping stove or survival stove. Yeah, there's a stove in this little bag. I'm going to be opening it up with my Master USA tactical neck knife. I ordered this on Amazon a while back just because I did want to carry a neck knife, but honestly, this one is pretty big. It came with a lanyard to go around your neck, but you could totally see it printing through your shirt, and I personally didn't like that. Even though I was a little bummed out that I wasn't able to carry this knife around my neck the way it was intended, I'm still pretty happy with this little blade because it's part of my EDC or my everyday carry, and I carry it on my belt every single day and it goes everywhere with me, and it's just a good tool to always have. So I was right, the first item in that bag was the Lixada portable camping stove. I'm going to show you how to assemble it in this video, and I'll show you how it works in the next one. The second item that I also got is this paracord, but this isn't just normal paracord. This is called survival paracord, and the brand is Pskook. And I'll leave a link down at the bottom, so if you're interested, I highly recommend it. The special thing about this specific paracord is not what's on the outside, but it's what's on the inside. Aww. So the real reason why I think this paracord is unique and it stands out amongst all other paracord out there is that it's not just filled with polyester strands of string in there. It does have 7 triple braided polyester strands for the tensile strength, and it also helps retain its flexibility, so you're able to use this unique paracord just like any regular old paracord. But again, what makes this paracord unique is that it has those 7 triple braided polyester strands. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I pull out double, so that's 5 and 6, and that's number 7. So that's 7 polyester strands right there. Another unique feature about this paracord is that it has a single cotton line running down the entire length of it, and that cotton line can be used to either bind wounds, you can sew clothes in the event of an emergency. It looks slightly different from the polyester. The cotton string is matted, it's not shiny at all, and the polyester is shiny. This paracord by Pskook also comes included with fishing line. Now the fishing line is rated at 40 pounds. Imagine that, 40 pounds. That's a huge fish. All in one little paracord. You gotta love it. The cool thing is that I always carry around an Altoid survival tin. This is the true story. Always, always, always. And in my survival tin, I for sure have fishing hooks. So I plan on making myself a survival paracord bracelet that comes included with a hefty amount of fishing line. Now at this point, I know what you're thinking. How can this paracord get any better? Here, I'll show you. This paracord also comes included with 1 strand of waterproof tinder. Waterproof tinder. So in the event you are in a survival situation, you're going to be happy that you got this on you, even in wet or rainy conditions. This is a really good thing to have because this will stay lit to help get your dry tinder lit. Ah, yes, trusty Altoids kit. I'm going to be putting another video up soon going over what I got included in my Altoids kit. And like I said, guys, I carry this on myself every day, and I highly recommend you do too. Next is going to be my new set of multi-tool pocket knives. My plan with these pocket knives is 1, sharpen the heck out of them. 2, I'm going to be making paracord lanyards to go attached to each one of these pocket knives. So you not only have a extremely sharp knife in your pocket at all times, but you have a bottle opener, you have 3 different wrench sizes, and like I said, you have all of those features of that paracord included, all in your pocket at the same time. Now, even though it might sound a little cliche, a dream of mine is to see every person that I know with a tool like this on them at all times. Because in any given situation, having the right tool on you, or any tool on you for that matter, can help make any situation that much easier. So originally, I thought that this multi-tool only had 3 different wrench sizes. I found out that this multi-tool has 4 wrench sizes. It's 4mm, 5mm, 6mm, and 8mm. It's pretty awesome. So to sum up what we've seen so far, we've gone over cordage is one of the C's, and combustion is a second C. I'm now going to talk to you about the third C, and my personal favorite, the cooking aspect of the 5 C's. I present to you the Lixada Portable Camping Survival Stove. There are 3 real major reasons why I love this stove. 1, it's dependable. 2, it's extremely portable. And 3, it's reliable. Now I know this video is just the unboxing and the assembly of the Lixada portable stove, but in a future video I'm going to show you exactly how it functioned for me. I loved it. But till then, I'm still trying to figure out how to get it fully assembled. It seems pretty straightforward, but as you can see, I'm kind of having a hard time. What I figured out is that when you're going to lock the 2 locking mechanisms, just make sure they're both seated all the way down. 1, it'll help the entire stove maintain a good level cooktop. The other thing that it'll do is not let anything wiggle free. Because let me tell you, when this bad boy is on, it is hot. You don't want to touch it anymore. My portable Lixada camping stove utilizes 2 different fuel sources. It utilizes both tree bark or tree tinder or small twigs and branches you might find lying around. Or with this stainless steel dish here, you can use alcohol. And stay tuned to a future episode to see how it all worked out for me. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. This is MacGyver reminding you to always be safe, and remember, don't get caught without your tools.